If your AI agent fails in production, you do not just get a bug. You get a mystery with access to your browser, your tools, and your customers. Today's overlooked story is Raindrop's open source workshop, reported by VentureBeat, a local way for developers to debug and evaluate AI agents before they are trusted with real tasks. The important part is not the tool name, it is the mechanism, a trace replay loop. Think of a crash test instructor standing beside an agent in a padded test lab. The instructor is not asking, "Is this model smart?" The instructor is asking, "When the same job runs again, can I see every step, replay the failure, change one condition, and prove the fix?" That is the leap from demo culture to operating culture. Most agent projects break because teams only inspect the final answer. The agent books the wrong meeting, clicks the wrong page, calls the wrong API, or gives up halfway through a task. Then everyone scrolls through logs and argues about whether the prompt, the tool, the model, or the environment caused the miss. That is too late. A trace replay loop turns the agent's work into a testable route: instruction, observation, decision, tool call, result, and next decision. Here is why local debugging matters. Agents are not ordinary chatbots. They create state, they move across apps, they call tools with side effects. If evaluation only happens in a cloud black box, teams get a score but not a steering wheel. Running the inspection locally gives developers a safe arena where private data can stay close, failed runs can be replayed, and edge cases can be collected into a regression suite. The trace replay loop has 3 jobs. First, capture the full path, not just the ending. Second, replay the exact path until the failure is reproducible. Third, turn that failure into a standing test, so the next model or prompt update cannot silently reintroduce it. That sounds boring, but it is the difference between a clever intern and a reliable operator. The practical takeaway is simple. Before you give an agent more permissions, ask whether your team can replay its mistakes. Can you see why it chose a tool? Can you freeze the environment? Can you compare 2 runs side by side? Can you keep a library of never fail this again tasks? If the answer is no, the agent is still a prototype, no matter how polished the demo looks. This also changes what good agent platforms will compete on. The winner is not only the one with the flashiest autonomy, it is the one that makes failures legible. The best stack will show the route, mark the wrong turn, let a human adjust the guardrail, and rerun the course until the behavior is stable. So the next time someone says an agent is ready for real work, do not ask for a highlight reel. Ask for the crash test. Ask for the trace. Ask for the replay. Builders who master that loop will not just ship smarter agents, they will become the calm operators other people trust when autonomy stops being a toy and starts touching the business.